over and I thought I made myself very clear.
Oh, you did. You made yourself perfectly clear. But something's come up.
What?
Well, it's something kind of small, but it might be a big problem. I'm pregnant.
Huh?
I'm pregnant. I've had a doctor's test. I've got the certificates, and there's no doubt about it. I'm going to have your baby.
Now, look, sir, I can explain this. See, Robin is a sweet of mine, and
you should see the other guy.
You took care of all of her.
No, it wasn't anything like that. You don't understand.
Oh, I read that letter she wrote. I think I understand all there is.
What happened to her?
She started shrieking, you know.
Jesus. Well, I got the money. All of it. All 80 grand. That's 40 for you, 40 for me. That's it then. You could have my truck. I'm taking Sierra.
We split that.
How the fuck do you split a fucking car, you dummy? With a fucking chainsaw?
One of us pays the other for half.
Hold on. No fucking way. You fucking notice this? I got fucking shot. I got fucking shot in the face. I went and got the fucking money. I got shot fucking picking it up. I've been there for 36 fucking hours. I'm taking that fucking car. That fuck is mine, you fucking asshole. You know, I've been listening to your fucking bullshit all week. Are we square? Are we square? Yeah, you fucking mute. And if you see your friend Shep Proudfoot, tell him I'm gonna nail his fucking ass.
I'll call you later.
His wife, this guy says she was kidnapped last Wednesday.
The day of our homicides.
Yeah.
And this guy was who?
Lundegaard's father-in-law's accountant.
Gustafson's accountant.
Yeah.
But we still haven't found Gustafson?
Looking.
Sorry, didn't copy, Lou.
Still missing, we're looking.
Copy. And Lundegaard, too?
Yeah. Where are you, Margie?
Oh, I'm almost back. I'm taking a drive around Moose Lake.
Oh, Gary's loudmouth.
Yeah, the loudmouth. So the whole state has it, huh? Gustafson and Lundegaard.
Yeah, it's over the wire. It's everywhere. They'll find them.
Copy.
Oh, we got a lead on this.
There's a car! There's a car!
Whose car?
My car! My car! Tan Sierra! Tan Sierra!
Okay, careful, Margie. I'll send a couple cars.